Hello there, algebra fans. This is your quiz number 2, chapter 1. I am Mr. Brooks, here to help you along. This quiz is brought to you by Napa. For Napa Know-How, visit your Napa parts dealer today, along with McDonald's. I'm loving it. So here we go. Let's talk about this here quiz. The first couple problems are just wanting you to simplify the expression. Okay, there's no solving. You're not going to get one answer, okay? Just need to simplify. Take a look at your like terms. All right, just to give you a little hint. I think I see those guys there. Okay, I think you kind of know what you're doing. But simplify. You make the problem down as small as you can, but there's no definite answer. Okay, if you have questions, let me or Mr. Houston know. Here in 3, 4, 5, 6, you're just solving the equation, all right? And again, maybe it helps you. If it doesn't matter. Like his first one, if I were doing it, I'd say 7n plus 9 equals 44, right? Draw my line down through the middle. Remember, you want to get this n here by himself, so I'd get rid of this guy first and then get rid of that guy over there. Okay. In number 4, remember to distribute first. Okay, then bring everybody else down in the problem to finish solving. Here in number 5, I hate to say it, but we're dealing with fractions. You got all kinds of different denominators here. Now, just to give you a little help, 9, 2, 3, and 6. A number that you could multiply by all of these and get rid of the fractions is 18. Okay? Multiply by 18 and everything. Because each one of these all divide into 18. Okay? So use that to kind of get rid of the fraction, and then you can deal with the equation. If you're not sure, ask for some help. Use your calculator for sure. Down here, number 6, we're solving for h. Okay, so we want h all by himself. And again, the first thing I would do is get rid of this fraction right here. And you should know how to get rid of 1/2. You just kind of flip things around and multiply it to both sides, okay? Number 7, you're wanting to solve this equation for y. All right, so you want y by itself. That means you got to get that cat over there. Number 8, again, you're solving for y. You just simply want y by itself. Okay, just do the algebra that you've been doing for a few years now. For number 9 and number 10, they want you to solve the equation for y. So we need to get y in both of these problems by themselves. Once we do that, okay, so for example, just over here to the side, let's say I got y equals 2 plus x. All right, then they give me a value for x, and that value is right here. I'm going to plug it in. Let's say my value was 4. So I'd say, okay, y equals 2 plus 4, which means y would equal 6. All right. So first, you need to get y by itself. All right. Get the y by himself in each problem. Then take the value for x and plug it in for x to tell you how much is y. Okay, 11 and 12, we're using distance equals rate times time. D equals RT. Here you need to solve for the missing variable, so we're looking for the what? It says D equals blank, R equals 35 miles an hour, T is equal to 5. So you need to solve for D. Just plug them into that equation. 12, They give you D. We don't know what R is, so R would be the variable. Okay, so it looks something like this. It might be 520 equals R times 8 because it takes 8 hours. Solve for R. In number 13, it says you deposit $740 in an account that earns an interest rate of 6%. We're going to use this formula, interest equals principal times rate times time, to figure out the total amount in your account after 1 year. All right? So when I do word problems, I like to label what they are. You deposit. So that deposit is going to be your principal amount. Okay, so that's that guy. Your rate is your interest rate. That's the R. Now we never use it as 6%. You change it to a decimal, which is 0.06. So you're going to plug that in there. And your time is 1 year. So there's your T right here. So just plug in all three, multiply them together. Okay, last problem, number 14. It says Erica buys 8 oranges and several bunches of bananas at a local grocery store. Each orange costs $1, and each bunch of bananas costs $2. Their total cost is $16. They want to know how many bunches of bananas did they buy. When you're not sure what you're looking for, that's what you call X. Okay? Now, I kind of set up the equation here because 8 oranges at $1 a piece is still just 8. All right? Plus $2 per bundle of bananas and equals your total, which is 16. So solve that out and find X, and that's going to tell you how many bunches of bananas you had. I hope you have enjoyed this quiz. If you have any questions, you let one of us know. Have a great day. God bless.